So a journey like Two Wheels Across is definitely going to need funding and sponsors, and I have amazing ones. And what I've decided to do is to be completely open and transparent about who's sponsoring Two Wheels Across. The Key is actually hosting me for an entire month, which has been amazing because we've turned it into our headquarters. And so every day we sit here, I'm going to show you, and we finalize the route, the itinerary, the activities that we're going to do. We started talking a few months ago because we have very similar goals. Sohat is doing a campaign called Untouched Lebanon, which you should really follow, and I'm showing Untouched Lebanon. So they've decided to support, and one of the ways they've decided to support is to give me water. I just have a little bit of a problem with that. I don't know how I'm going to fit all this water on the bike. We're 24 hours away from beginning the journey. Yes!
You need it.
Yes, exactly. And Iris is part of the AdMind group, and Tony here is the founder of AdMind.
Actually, it started nicely in a small bar 17 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
It's been 17 years. It's a lot, and from it, as you know, in hospitality, it's a bit difficult field. So it starts, you close, you open. So we created the concept of AdMind, which is a company that owns and creates its own concepts. We grew to be a company that has around 800 people. We have 18 outlets.
Brilliant.
Spread between Lebanon, Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
We're franchising our own concepts in the region.
Okay.
And the goal, of course, to even grow it more internationally, because it's not a dream anymore.
What I love about what you've done, Tony, is that you've turned something that is very part of the core of the Lebanese people, which is the hospitality, and you've turned it into you've upped the game, as they say, by providing venues of quality and class, by surprising people constantly, and also having a company in Lebanon that has 300 and plus employees and everything is, to me, is really commendable, because it really, at the end of the day, this is what keeps the economy going. And so we're done. So let me show you. So in here I have my camping gear. This is all the filming equipment. This is some clothing. Over here is the drone, more filming equipment, and there we have it. Elena is my hero. C'est pas possible. It's incredible what you do. These dogs are amazing. They've been through hell. They live in an environment like this, and then yet they're so loving. They're so amazing.
They're forgiving.
They're forgiving. How can people help?
People can help by volunteering, by donating. And I know some people don't like to donate money, so they can donate food, wet food, blankets, towels.
Whatever will help, basically.
Whatever will help.
Okay.
and they can adopt. And if they already have many dogs, they can spread the word to adopt instead of buying.
I arrived at this bakery called Abu Fadel Bakery, and they're very known for making a rolled manouche. It's called manouche roll or rouleau in French. And this lady there said, "We're closed." And then her son came to me and said, no worries, we'll reopen the oven for you. They reopened the whole thing, and they made 6 of them for me, and water, and Diet Pepsi, and then they're not letting me pay. Yeah, that's one of the things I absolutely adore about Lebanon. Sunday, which is kind of soothing. No cars, no honks. I could literally stand in the middle of the road and I won't be bothering anyone. I want to address an issue right off the bat that's been raised to me a couple of times, including by a really good friend of mine. And the issue is, how come I'm speaking in English? I mean, this is Lebanon, I'm Lebanese, I'm meeting Lebanese people. How come I'm not speaking in Lebanese, in Arabic? And the reason simply is that I'm trying to show Lebanon not only to Lebanese people, but to foreign people. And invite them to come and see our beautiful country. And so they don't speak Arabic. However, we pride ourselves on speaking 3 languages at least. So I'm presuming that most of us won't have a problem whenever I do speak in English. I apologize for those who do. But I will also speak in Arabic sometimes, and I'll definitely speak in Arabic when I'm talking to people and meeting different people who prefer to speak in Arabic. In that case, I will subtitle it in English so that people who don't speak Arabic can understand.